Hello everybody, welcome to our new tutorial. This time we are going to be doing miniature squishy waffles, so I really hope you enjoy this tutorial and please keep watching. The first thing we are gonna do is to cut the makeup sponge and form the size that we want. Second, we will cut miniature squares inside the makeup sponge to start forming the shape of the waffle. If you want to print this label, the link will be in the description box. I'm using the glue gun to seal the edges. This is the final result. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every week. If you have any suggestions for future videos, don't forget to leave a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen. You are awesome and thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.